Alright crew, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I have another tech review and a box opening, guys, and if we have time we're also going to be doing a install. So hey, that's one thing about this channel, guys. I said it's different from all the other channels out there on YouTube. We are actually going to get our hands dirty, guys, and I do not mind getting my hands dirty. And this is what you call a DIY channel as well, guys. This is where I try to show you how to save money on doing things yourself. And this is one way of doing it yourself. You don't have to have nobody charge you extra money to put this cover on. It seemed to be very simple. We're going to read the instructions. I'm going to take about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to get back with you guys, and we're going to also be doing the install. But today is going to be on a soft fold tonneau cover, and this is going on my GMC truck, and we're going to do it together, guys. Hey, and also, if you guys are new to the channel, you are watching Classic Chevy with CJ, the Cigar Man, and welcome, guys. This is where we do things ourselves, we get our hands dirty, but we have fun doing it. So without further ado, guys, let's get into this install. Alright crew, so let's get into this install. And oh, just to let you guys know, if you're looking for a tonneau cover, I go to my local guy, and of course you guys know, man, my favorite truck place. I go to Rhino Liner of Bristol, get a hold of Rick, and let him know that the Cigar Man sent you, and he'll take care of you guys. So hey, let's go ahead and start cutting this box open. Alright, so this looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward. It looks like it's up in 3 rows, and we'll just go ahead and unroll it. It has some instructions that we'll look at here in a minute. Got 2 straps here. Folds like twice, so this is going to be a very simple install, I believe, guys. Turn you guys back on once I read these instructions, and we'll put it on the truck. All right, guys, this seemed pretty straightforward. So we're going to unfold it first. Make sure everything is even. Close the tailgate. Make sure the tailgate will operate and function. I think that's gonna be good. I'm just basically lining, making sure everything is lined up. All right, I think that's gonna be good. Let's let the tailgate back down. Let's fold it back. All right, guys, so I went and got a light so we can see it. Alright, guys, so I went and got a light. That way you guys can see exactly what I'm saying, hopefully. See a little bit. Basically, you take this, and this has to be probably one of the simplest things that I've ever seen. There's really nothing to it. So basically, it's got this little swivel part here. Hopefully, you guys can see that. And you just tighten it up. And this part here, that's the edge of your bed here. And so you just hand tighten it down. Don't use no type of tools. Hey, just hand tighten. All right, so let's go over to the other side. I'm gonna roll over, guys. All right, go to this other side here. Here go that cup piece. You just slide that piece down. It should slide down here. If I can get it, there we go. I don't want to crank down on it. Sorry guys, my butt is in the way. So now let's go ahead and reposition ourselves. Alright guys, so basically we're going to just reach up in there and we're going to tighten it like it said tighten it. Tighten it up a little bit. And then tighten it down. You guys can see how tight it is there. See that? There's pretty tight. Then we do it to the other side as well. Tighten it down and we're good to go. All right. So we're gonna close the tailgate and then we'll walk around. Let's close this tailgate. Let's see what we got here. Get my light so I won't forget it. I'll be looking for it. Simple design. And there you got it. Trail fix. All right. Even straight through there. As you guys see, it's straight and even. I'm sure this is new, so I mean all this it'll go down once the heat and the sun get to it. You see it got cushion already made in it. Also show you guys how fast it is to just lift it up, and if you want to put something in the back of the truck, you just unsnap it. Twist your little knobs there on both sides first. Tuck those away. Then you just take it, fold it up that way. Get on this side so I can show you better. You just take this cover and you just fold it up once, fold it up again twice. Make sure your these are stowed because you don't want to puncture your bed there. Then we go on the other side to fold it down like this one here. It also tells you in instructions to make sure you fold your latches down, because if you don't fold them down, this little piece here will puncture. So you want to make sure that you fold it back down. Then you take your little brackets and you lock them in place. I'll show you guys. Take your little brackets here. Take your little brackets right here. Then you lock it in place. And then you're good to go, guys. I mean, of course, you can tighten this down here like that. Tighten it down. That way it won't wiggle. Okay? And that is your complete and installed tonneau cover, guys. Alright crew, hey guys, so this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys have learned a little bit from this tech review and this tonneau cover install. So like I said, if you guys are looking for inexpensive you know, bed cover or tonneau cover as they call them, this trail FX is probably the way to go. This was under $400, guys, and it's a solid cover. Really only 3 easy steps to follow, and you know, you guys could do the same thing. One thing I do like about this tonneau cover is that if you want to carry something in the back of it, you can still fold it up and you can still carry things in the back, but it's only like 2 steps to take it off if you got a large item that you want to put on the back of your truck. So I advise you guys, you know, this is going to be great for just trying to conceal what's in the back of your bed or your truck, or even if you do like camping like I do a lot of. You know, you can have your stuff back there overnight, and if it rains, it's not going to get wet because it's going to be secured by this tonneau cover. So hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. Cigar Man is out.